In today's video, I will walk you through how to apply session break in MT5. To get started, open MetaTrader 5 on your computer. Once the platform is open, log into your account. After you've signed in, you'll arrive at the main trading screen where your charts and trading tools are displayed. The next step is to locate the chart where you want to apply the session break. Find the chart you want to work with, then click on it so it becomes the active chart. Once it is selected, right-click anywhere on the chart to open the menu. From the menu that appears, click on Properties. If you prefer using a keyboard shortcut, you can simply press F8 on your keyboard to open the same window. Either method will take you to the chart properties. When the Properties window opens, you'll see several tabs available. Look through the options until you find the Show tab. Click on it to view the available display settings for your chart. Inside the Show tab, you'll notice a list of options that you can enable or disable. For example, you may see settings for showing tickers or displaying quick trading buttons. Continue scrolling through the list until you find the option labeled Show Period Separators. Once you've found Show Period Separators, click the checkbox next to it to enable the setting. After selecting it, click OK to apply the change and close the Properties window. As soon as the setting is applied, you'll return to your chart. You should now see white dotted vertical lines appearing across the chart. These dotted lines are the period separators, and they act as the session breaks on your chart. If you ever want to remove the session breaks, simply repeat the same process. Right-click on the chart, open Properties or press F8, go back to the Show tab and uncheck the Show Period Separators option. Click OK, and the dotted lines will disappear from the chart. You can repeat these same steps for any other chart in MetaTrader 5 where you want to display session breaks. Just select the chart, open the Properties, go to the Show tab, enable Show Period Separators, and apply the changes. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can apply session breaks in MetaTrader 5 using the Period Separators option. Once enabled, the white dotted lines will appear on your selected chart, making it easy to view the session breaks whenever you're analyzing your charts. Thank you for watching.